A coordination meeting was held in response to water scarcity issues in Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike limits. Officials including Rakesh Singh from the Urban Development Department and BWSSB addressed the need for immediate action. Singh instructed officials to identify affected areas and collaborate with BWSSB to implement solutions. Tushar Girinath highlighted a 131 crore rupee allocation for Borewells in key zones. He stressed drilling borewells immediately to tackle scarcity. Girinath also discussed the city's water supply situation, emphasizing the need for additional supply to meet demand. Prasath Manohar mentioned the existing water distribution system and stressed its effective utilization. The plan includes installing SynTEX tanks and purchasing private tankers for water supply in affected areas, emphasizing a comprehensive approach to address scarcity in all 110 villages under BBMP jurisdiction.
Of course, there is a water problem. The underground water has gone very down because of the drought. More than 200 taluks water has been there. Government is committed in Bangalore itself. In the budget, you see that for all the 110 villages, which has been included in the corporation, CM has given us 200 crores for it. I also have already made an assessment and have worked out 6 TMC of water has to be reallocated after giving 177 TMC of water to Tamil Nadu. We are bound, we are dedicated, we have a commitment that Bangalore has to be protected. And more than about 800 crores has been kept with the DC's hands to see that this water problem has been sorted on the drought. Though the central government has not given anything, but we are committed that we should do it. And one more thing, some MLAs have suggested that there are about 1,500 feet of borewell has been drilled. So now better to go. Yesterday in my Janta Darshan program, to drill the same borewell at 5,500 meters more. That is also I am exploring the possibility instead of going for the new borewell. Some places we will have new borewell. In some places we will try to drill those old borewell which will go a little bit deeper.